Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by inspecting the pot. Remove any loose rust or debris so seasoning lasts. Once done, preheat the oven to 350 degrees and put the empty Dutch oven inside for 10 to 15 minutes to warm the metal evenly. This prevents thermal shock and helps oil spread. Make sure to have 1-2 tablespoons of a high-smoke oil ready, plus oven mitts and a trivet. This first step is about controlling temperature, so the seasoning bonds properly when you add oil. You now apply a thin layer of oil inside and out. Rub with a folded paper towel so the coating is nearly invisible. Once done, place the Dutch oven upside down on the rack with foil beneath to catch drips, and bake at 350 degrees for 45 to 60 minutes so the oil polymerizes into a hard, non-stick layer. After baking, let it cool inside the oven so it contracts slowly. If the finish looks uneven, repeat the process 1 or 2 more times to build a stable. You should test the surface with a high-fat first cook like roast chicken or bacon. That hot fat further bonds seasoning and reveals imperfections. Once done, clean with hot water and a stiff brush only, no soaking, then dry thoroughly and rub a thin layer of oil while still warm. If the surface feels sticky or you see rust, don't panic. Scrub the affected area with a non-metal brush or coarse salt, dry, and perform another seasoning cycle. This fixes most initial issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.